Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. I hope everybody is in good health and good spirits as I've been gone. Oh my God, we have so much really great menus and good information for you guys in store, and I just can't wait to fill you guys in. Once again, welcome to Shelter in Place Cooking Space. I'm Roderick Calhoun. And I hope and pray that every one of you guys, even your loved ones, is in good health and in good spirits. Anybody mention butternut squash? Have you heard it before? I have. Just never thought that I'd eat it again. There you go. And here goes. It's like a yam. Another great component, addition to an already great healthy meal, which was the mushroom pocket. Huh? Who would have knew? It behooves me. It behooves me to how many different wonderful ingredients that we have available for us right there, in our local grocer, that can pretty much change our lives if eating in moderation and combined with other meals. Here's one. You see the char on that? It's still kind of crunchy. I'm not gonna cook all the ingredients out of it. That defeats the purpose. Oh my God. Guys, I've been gone for a while, but this is what I've been working on. I've been working on some healthier meals. Meals that I can't say that can it's not like the fountain of youth, but it will prolong your life here on this earth. We eating to live. I eat, because I love to eat. But if I'm gonna eat because I love to eat, because I really love food, I'm gonna eat to live. And I live to eat too. Yep. Shelter in Place Cooking Space. Papa got a brand new bag. There you have it, folks. It's right here, man. Wow. This is totally awesome, okay? Yes, I have really been trying like so hard to kind of go part vegan, meaning again that I've been, the same thing that I've been telling you guys from day one is I've been trying to go 80% fruits and vegetables, 20% meat. Again, this is a mushroom burger. Oh my God. It's a mushroom burger. And this mushroom burger is incorporated with tomatoes, of course the mushroom, which is the starter dish, avocado, bell peppers, red and green, cheese, mozzarella cheese, and avocado. As always, here goes. Oh my God. You guys hear that? There it goes again. My taste buds are jumpy for joy. This is a wonderful pocket. It's a mushroom pocket. Oh my God. There's no way on God's green earth would I've ever thought having mushroom replace meat would taste so delicious. You have the recipe. This is another step to healthy living. I'm not saying stop eating meat, but I'm saying we have some healthy substitutes. This kind of goes toward the alkaline diet. Oh my God. I don't have any sauce or what, mayonnaise, mustard, nothing. Oh. You've seen it right here on Shelter in Place Cooking Space with your very own eyes. You know it? My first time tasting it, first time making it. I'm sharing it with you guys. Shelter in Place Cooking Space, kind of alkaline diet, meaning that sometimes our body gets too full of acids, and a lot of people feel that the acids build up in our bodies cause cancer, diabetes, heart disease. This is one of those things that'll stop all that. Shelter in Place Cooking Space, Roderick Calhoun. See you guys soon. Stay well and stay healthy. Oh my goodness. That was a good video. That was a great video. It's all about awareness, and that's exactly what Shelter in Place Cooking Space is all about. There are so many people dying of cancer, getting their limbs again cut off from diabetes, heart disease, and so much many more ailments. And people have come to the conclusion that what we put in our bodies has a big impact on fighting, curing, and eradicating diseases that would otherwise kill us. Okay, so once again, I'm so happy, enthusiastic, and just overjoyed to bring you guys this segment, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Be on the lookout for much more entertaining, heartwarming, awareness bringing videos to come. Thank you very much, and take good care of yourselves.